got quite the tale, my friend, a trail you didn't intend. And now you're here, deep in the green. Funny where a small thing leads the scene. She followed a ball, that's strange, no doubt. Those don't just fall from the clouds and sprout. Still she's here, and so are you. Both of you chasing something new. She might have darted through that gap, beyond the hill where the fairways wrap. But I'd be mindful just in case. This game moves fast in an open space. Now listen close, just as advice. Keep pets off green, save yourself the prize. Balls fly blind and they don't forgive. A slip of y'all, that's no way to live. I've seen swings sharper than you'd think. A slice too far, a cat's gone in a blink. And when players lose balls 'cause a tail got near, well, tempers don't stay polite out here. But this course quiet off the grid, old land tucked where the secrets hid. They let me come to clear my head. Swing a while, forget what's said. Still you followed more than a feline thread. There's a reason you're here instead. And maybe that ball, strange as it flew, was meant for more than chasing through dew. But I'm just a golfer, name's Drew. Don't know much past grass and dew. If she circles back, I'll give a shout, though she might be past the fairway now, no doubt. And if you spot some lights that gleam, or hear a sound that feels like a dream, let it lie, let wonder wait. Not every ball needs a clean slate. It's just a swing in a day, my friend.